To prepare for the breathing in the 100, we will practice the breath with arm movements. Breathe out through the mouth on the exhale in a short staccato-type rhythm. Breathe in through the nose on the inhale in the same staccato style. Pump the arms up and down as though you are slapping water. This will help you promote a full breath pattern so you don't hold the breath. Now lie with your head and feet on the mat, knees bent and hip width apart. Your arms reach long by your sides, palms down, fingers stretching. Now engage your abdominals. Lift your arms a few inches off the mat. Inhale to prepare and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish with the arms down. Now we'll do the exercise with the knees bent and lifted into tabletop position with the head and shoulders lifted up into the C curve. Remember that if any time you feel strain in your neck, just bring your head back down to the mat. It's much better to do the exercise well in a modified version than to strain and lose your form. Lie with your head and feet on the mat with your knees bent and hip width. Reach your arms long by your sides, palms down, fingers stretching. Engage your abdominals and bring your knees toward your chest to tabletop position, shins parallel to the mat. Take a deep breath and feel the torso anchoring into the ground as you exhale. Keep the feeling of a heavy weight pressing the pelvis and shoulders down as you inhale to prepare and lift the head and upper spine into a C curve. And pumping the arms up and down, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish by lowering your head and feet back down to the mat. Sit up tall with your knees together and bent, feet planted firmly on your mat. Curl your head and spine forward over your legs, reaching your arms long in front of you. Slide your shoulder blades down your back with the crown of the head reaching toward your fingers. Inhale to prepare. Exhale and scoop the abdominals. Roll the pelvis back away from the legs and open the front hips. Keeping the abs flat, inhale and roll back up to start position, staying in your C curve. Exhale, engage the abs and roll back. Inhale, initiate from the powerhouse to roll back up. And last time, exhale, pull your navel to the spine, scoop the abdominals and roll away from the legs. Inhale, maintain your core connection and roll forward and up to tall sit. Now lie down with your knees together and bent, feet firm on the mat. Arms are long by your sides. Squeeze your knees together. Inhale, pull your navel deep into the spine, and on the exhale, curl the spine up into C curve, stretching your arms forward. Inhale, keeping the abdominals scooped. Exhale and roll back, pressing each vertebra down into the mat and lowering the head and arms back down. If you need more support to come up, slide your hands under your thighs and keep the legs squeezing together. And then again, inhale, scoop your abdominals. Exhale, curl up and forward, reaching long through the arms. Inhale, pull your navel in, and exhale, roll the spine back down, releasing the head and arms. And last time, inhale deep into your core. Exhale, curl the spine up, one vertebra at a time, reaching through the fingers and the crown of the head. Take a breath in, and on the exhale, curl the spine back down to the mat. Sit tall at the front of your mat with your knees bent into your chest, hands placed under each thigh, elbows wide. Engage your abdominals. Bring your chin toward the chest in C curve. Inhale, pull the navel to the spine, roll back on your tailbone, and lift the feet off the mat to balance. Maintain your strong core, deepen the curve, and then exhale to return to balance in tall sit with the feet lifted. And again, contract your abs. Inhale, chin to chest, navel to spine, and roll back to balance on your tailbone. On the exhale, roll forward and back up to tall sit, returning to balance with your feet off the mat. Now for the full roll back, keep your shoulders relaxed down away from the ears, toes gently pointing, and roll back only to the upper shoulders, never on the neck. Engage your abdominals to initiate the action. Inhale and roll back, sinking the navel deep into the spine. Exhale, pull the abs in as you rock back up to start position. Maintain your ball shape throughout the rolling movement. And again, sink the navel deep into the spine and roll back. Exhale, use your abdominals to roll back up. And last time, roll the spine back. Feel the spinal massage as each vertebra presses down into the mat. Roll back up to tall sit with the feet on the mat. Come to the hands and knees for tabletop position with the hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips, and the legs and feet together with the toes tucked under. To prepare, inhale and engage the core. Exhale, lift the knees off the mat a few inches, keeping your spine in neutral. Inhale, hold, and then exhale and lower your knees to the mat. And again, inhale, exhale, lift the knees, hold with the core. Exhale, lower the knees back down. Now step the feet back so the knees are behind the hips. With an inhale, pull your navel in. On the exhale, lift the knees a few inches off the floor. Inhale, hold, and then exhale, lower the knees back down. And for the last time, keeping your shoulders over your wrists, step the right foot back and straighten the leg. Step the left foot back and straighten the leg into push-up position. Make the legs strongly active. Draw the navel deep into the spine and keep your neck long and shoulders relaxed. Don't let the lower back collapse. Now breathe smoothly and comfortably in plank position. And on your exhale, bend your knees, sit back in child's pose. Inhale and press back up to sitting. Now sit at the front of your mat with your knees bent and heels together. Open your knees a bit wider than shoulder width and take your hands inside your legs and around each ankle. If your shoulders are tight, hold around the outside of the legs. Now inhale and pull your navel deep into your spine. On your exhale, pull the feet off the mat and balance on your tailbone, maintaining the C curve. Keeping your shoulders relaxed and the abdominals engaged to hold you up, clap your heels together 3 times like a seal clapping its flippers. Hold your balance by lightly pressing the legs and arms against each other. And then release and return to sitting. Now come to tabletop position on your hands and knees. Your hands are shoulder width apart and directly under your shoulders. And take your knees past the hips with the spine and pelvis in neutral. Now inhale and lower your torso toward the mat, bending your elbows alongside your body. Keep your powerhouse engaged and the buttocks and legs squeezing together. Exhale and push up, straightening the arms. Inhale, bend the elbows, press down. Exhale and push up. Keep the body rigid and only come down as far as you can maintain the stability at your core. And one more time. Inhale, bend the elbows toward the floor. Exhale, straighten the arms as you push back up. Stand with your legs together in the Pilates V, heels touching and toes out about 45 degrees. Hold 1-pound weights in each hand in front of the thighs. Press the feet firmly down, activate the legs, and draw the abdominals in and up. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Now inhale and pull the weights up the center line of your body towards your chin, leading with your elbows and spreading them wide to the side. Exhale, press the weights down the front of your body slowly and with resistance. And again, inhale, zip up your midline. Exhale, press down with resistance. Inhale, slowly pull up. Exhale, slowly press down. And inhale, zip up. Exhale, press down. And last time, inhale, pull up with resistance. Exhale, push down to finish. Now stand with the arms long by your side, palms facing back. Roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale and press your hands back, lifting and opening the chest. Hold the breath as you turn your head from left to right, return to center, and exhale to release the arms back down to your sides. Inhale, press your hands back and hold, and turn your head from right to left. Return to center and exhale the arms back down. And again, take a deep breath in, press your hands back, hold your breath, turn your head from left to right and back to center. Exhale the arms back to start. And last time. Inhale the hands back, lifting the chest, keeping the core strong. Hold, turn the head from right to left and return to center. Exhale, bring the arms back to your sides. Take your hands behind your head with the elbows wide to the side for shaving the head. Inhale, and reaching with the fingers, press your hands up and slightly forward. Exhale and slowly with resistance, draw your hands back down behind your head. And inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull down. Initiate the movement from your core. Inhale and press your hands up, and exhale, slowly pull down, and press up, and pull down, and one more. Reach up, and last time, pull down. Now, extend the arms up parallel to the ground with the palms facing up for bicep curls. On an inhale, slowly curl your forearms toward your shoulders, keeping the elbows lifted and the shoulders down. On an exhale, uncurl your arms back to start. And again, inhale, curl up with resistance. Exhale, curl down. And last time, curl up on the inhale. Exhale, curl down. Now bring the arms out to your sides and turn the palms forward for high hammer curls. Keeping the arms in line with the shoulders and slightly forward, inhale and bring the hands to the shoulders. On the exhale, press your hands back out to the sides. Keep your core engaged. Inhale, pull your arms in slowly with resistance, and exhale, press slowly out with resistance. Make sure your elbows are aligned with the shoulders throughout the movement. And last time, inhale, pull in, and exhale, press back out. And then bring your arms back down alongside the body for tricep kickbacks. Now stand with your feet hip width and parallel. Bend your knees over your toes and fold at your hips so your torso is parallel to the ground like a tabletop. With the palms facing into the body, pull your elbows in close and up to shoulder level. Engage your abdominals to control your movements. Inhale and slowly extend your arms back in line with the shoulders. Squeeze the triceps to fully straighten your arms. Without dropping the elbows, exhale and pull the hands back slowly to start position. And again, inhale the arms straight back and squeeze. Exhale and pull back. Last time, inhale, press back. Exhale, slowly pull the hands back. And now straighten your legs, stand up tall, and to finish, hold the weights beside the body, and with a deep breath in, draw the shoulders up to the ears, exhale and roll the shoulders down, and continue shrugging your shoulders with the breath 2 more times to release any tension in your upper body.